Hello and welcome to How to Grow Sweetcorn from Seed. The first step is to fill some plant pots with compost. Step 2. Water the compost. We're doing this now because if you did it after you'd planted the seeds, you could disturb them or wash them away. Step 3. Plant the seeds. You can buy seeds from most garden stores. On the reverse of the packet give you the planting times for your region. I'm planting 2 seeds per pot. This is in case any fail to germinate. If they both germinate, then I'll use both plants, as you'll see later. Step 4. Cover the seeds with compost and press down firmly to remove any air bubbles. Step 5. Label the pots in case you forget what you've planted. Step 6. Keep the seeds warm and watered, and within a few days they will begin to germinate. Step 7. When the plants have got at least 2 sets of leaves and the risk of any frosts have passed, it's time to plant them outside. The first thing to do is to give them a good watering. Next, dig your soil and remove any stones and any weeds. Sweet corn are best grown in square blocks. This enables them to cross-pollinate. Each row should be 18 inches apart and each plant should be 18 inches from its neighbour. Break up any large pieces of soil using your rake. Dig a small hole and carefully remove the plant from its pot, trying not to damage the roots. Place the plant in the hole and then put soil around its roots and gently press down. Now give it a good watering to soak it in place. Using a stick that has been cut to 18 inches, mark out the position of the next plant. And then repeat the planting process. All plants have now been planted in a 5x4 square. Step 8. Keep the plants watered and weed free, and over a period of several weeks they will gradually mature. Step 9. The male flowers will begin to appear at the top of the plants. These will pollinate the female tassels on the cobs halfway down the plant. Step 10. The cobs will start to appear. You can see the female tassels sticking out of the top of them. Step 11. You can harvest the corn when the tassels at the end of the cobs begin to turn brown. Before doing this, check by peeling back the leaves and then pinch a kernel. If the juice inside is milky, then the cobs are ready to pick. Step 12. The final and most enjoyable step is to eat your produce. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, then please like it. Thank you.